This 5-minute solution will show you how to delete subscriptions on iPhone. Follow these two ways to delete your subscription from iPhone. The first way is go to your iPhone settings, tap on your ID, tap on subscriptions, and here you will get all of your active subscriptions. All you have to need just tap on the subscription you want to delete, and then you will get the delete option. And another way to delete subscription is go to your App Store, tap on your profile photo at the top right, tap on your Apple ID, tap on subscriptions, and the same way you will get your subscription list here, and from here you can select the specific subscription to delete. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.